So we're out today doing some filming. Those of you who know me know I have a bit of a background in film, and so it's always very frustrating for me to want to film these beautiful vehicles and not be able to, because normally I'm the one behind the driving seat, in the driving seat behind the driver's wheel. You know what I mean. So it's been a really great opportunity today. We've got our mate Chris, who's come down with his drone. We are here at the lovely Yorkshire Showground. We managed to pull a few strings, get into the Yorkshire Showground just off from Harrogate. And yeah, so we're here with Miriam and Indy as well, who's just head down the hill. My co-pilot, stunt car driver Matt has come with us to drive Indy for us. We're going to get some awesome shots with the drone, just some beautiful classic shots of us driving over, so stay tuned. Those will be appearing all over socials and stuff very, very soon. But here's a bit of behind the scenes. Enjoy. So shortly after looking around inside, we were kicked out of the Yorkshire Showground. Turns out, I think the Yorkshire Showground is currently under kind of permanent operation by the NHS, and so even though we've asked permission by the Yorkshire Showground to be there, that person doesn't have the authority, the overall authority at this point, to give us space on that place. That's a bit of a shame. So yeah, we'll see where we go from there. You all right? We're back in. Woohoo! So we were in, we're out again, we're back in. What's that, hokey cokey? It's a hokey cokey kind of shoot. It's much better being inside, obviously. We've got beautiful runs up and down. So yeah, we're just waiting now. We get to play the waiting game where we just sit still for a bit and wait until they're ready. It's been quite nice to sit in the vehicles with them turned on and actually be able to have a conversation out the window. I was just contemplating, if these were proper campers, you'd be like, what? What? Using sign language. Yeah, so the guys are just setting up shop up the hill, and then yeah, they'll call us. We're going to do a combination of a couple of shots, so we'll go one by one, then we'll do a couple of twos, and I think we're going to park down the lawn and do some perimeter stuff as well. We've got an hour until the gates are locked, so it's a pretty speedy one. It feels quite still now, actually. There's a bit of breeze earlier on, but actually right now it's all right.
We've been quite lucky, haven't we?
We've been really lucky. And then we'll go grab an ice cream. I don't know. See if anywhere's open. And that's it. Crammed in an hour of filming. Good fun sitting in an oven for an hour.
Pretty warm. That's been good fun, is that?
It was good fun.
Can't wait to see the footage.
Yeah, it should be good fun. So we're going to have, yeah, here we are. Glorious. Yeah, so we're just packing up. We're going to have to try and skedaddle off site in 2 minutes, unless they literally lock the gates, and then we're here all night. And then we got an all-nighter, I suppose. It's not that bad. So yeah, hopefully new footage will be coming out alongside that. Not hopefully, it will be, because otherwise it's a big waste of time. Will be coming out soon on various socials, but for now, hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes. And yeah, tune in next time.